Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. My daughter's first birthday vlog. So my daughter Gaia turned 1. It's insane how fast time has flown by and how much she's growing up. Like, I can't even put it into words. I can't describe it. Can't explain my feeling. I wanted to throw her an amazing first birthday party. I wanted it to be grand and beautiful and exciting and have all the activities and things that she would enjoy. And I really feel like it turned out perfect. It was everything I wanted it to be. Gaia had an amazing time. I had an amazing time. All her friends had an amazing time. My friends had an amazing time. And planning this party was actually like stress-free. We did it like super last minute. Everything came together. So I'm gonna walk you through the party, how we put it together, and then of course the vlog footage from at the party. I didn't vlog too much because I was very much in the moment and there was a lot of like last minute prep stuff that we had to do. That's why I'm here talking to you guys so I can walk you through everything. All right, let's get into the video. So first I want to thank the sponsors of today's video, Peerspace. Peerspace really saved the day and the party wouldn't have been what it was without it. Good morning vlog. What kind of vlog would it be if I wasn't looking terrible? But look at this girl. Oh my goodness. It's been forever. Not literally been forever, but it's been a while since I vlogged again. And it's Gaia's first birthday. It's Gaia's first birthday. Her birthday's on Monday. Today's Saturday. Her birthday's on Monday, but we're having her big blowout birthday bash tomorrow, Sunday. So we have a lot of prep to do. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you her whole birthday party. It's so special and amazing. Ah! Okay, say come along. Let's go. She's walking. Oh my gosh, she's so grown up now. Okay, where are you going? Where are you running to? Ah, okay, let's go. So this is what my front door looks like. There's so many packages and this is not even all of it. A bunch are already in the garage. So yeah, basically we're just gonna have to be assembling stuff, opening all these things, and then when we get to where we're throwing the party, all right. This is a new issue here. So basically to make this grand, amazing party happen, we got some brands on board to help us out and provide some things. And then after that, like me, my mom, my sister, my friend Cass, Christine, like we all just like pitched in or like paid for one of the things that needed to be paid for. So I'm so excited. Like I felt like my baby shower could have been more done up. So I'm excited to get to experience that with Gaia here for her first birthday and she can make friends and oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. I'm gonna finish making sure I have everything that I need. I'm either gonna build the balloon arc thing or I'm just gonna start with her goodie bags for her friends. So for location of the party, I knew I wanted it to be at a house. I wanted it to just be like, I don't know, like a celebrity birthday party where they have them at their gorgeous homes and they have so many balloons and everything. My backyard doesn't have grass and there's a pool, which is not good for babies because we don't have a gate yet. So booking a Peerspace was the best idea. We got this beautiful, beautiful house to throw the party at. Today is the day. It's not her birthday yet. It's tomorrow, but it's the day of the celebration. I wanted to record earlier, but we were rushing. We're still rushing. The party starts in 30 minutes. I just got here. We have to put the balloons and stuff together. But she looks so cute. I'm so excited once everything's all done. And everyone's here helping out. Here's the girl. She's like, no. All right, party has officially started. We're finished. Hi, baby girl, it's your birthday. Do you like how we set up your party? Are you vlogging? Say, it's my birthday, I'm turning 1. So location secured, done, perfect. Here's all the activities that we had during the party. I got this whole soft play setup thing. I don't know what to call it. It's called soft play. This was second best idea of the party. Not only was it colorful and cute and filled up the space in the backyard, making the party look very extravagant, it also was so fun for the babies. Like that was the thing the babies could do at all times and the parents could take their babies in there to play, and even having my friends get to play with Gaia in the play area. It was just super cute and it felt like it was a must for the party. I also decided to add this super last minute and I'm so thankful thankful I thought of it because it was one of the highlights for sure. I did the theme of the party, like kind of tea party, Marie Antoinette, Alice in Wonderland. Those were the vibes that I wanted to do. We got a bunch of decorations that had all of the food and snacks, and we also got a bunch of snacks for the babies. I knew the backdrop balloon arc display thing was going to be a must for this party. It's like it just is a must. For a baby shower or a first birthday party, it's a must. We had a company that was going to do it for us, and then last minute, they just stopped responding. So I decided to buy a kit on Amazon, and my friends and I built it ourselves. We put it together. It was really fun. It was cute. It wasn't easy and it wasn't perfect, but compared to what the company wanted to charge for that, telling you, so worth it. Buy the kit and just put some time and effort into it. Have some friends come over, drink some wine while you do it. Then of course a bounce house. We got a pink one. It's actually from the brand Small, S-M-O-L, and they sent it for the party, but it's ours to keep. So cute. So if you want to own your own bounce house, a little cute, small aesthetic one for your kids, that is an amazing option. I didn't even know that existed until now. For food, we decided to just go with a taco truck. So we had that there. We had a little bar for the adults. Of course, all of the yummy sweets. And her birthday cake was from Sweet Ease. It was so cute. They sent it over for us and it had a photo of her on it. I loved this Pier Space because it was so open and it was perfect for a party. I didn't have to worry about not being able to invite everyone I wanted to. It fit all of the activities and decorations and fun. And it was really nice not having it at my house, so I didn't have to really deal with that cleanup. Also, we were able to have access to the other rooms in the house, which was really helpful for having a baby's birthday, because there's always gonna be a kid that needs a nap, a kid that needs a bottle, or a baby that needs to nurse. So it was really nice to also have that. I totally forgot to tell you guys about the music class that we had at our party. So I hired Gaia's 2 favorite teachers from music class that we go to, and they put on a music class at the party for all of her friends and for her, and it was really cool. She loved it, her friends loved it. The parents that haven't done those classes with their kids before totally loved it. I was so excited to get to show my friends with kids the class that we go to so that maybe they want to go with us. The Pier Space definitely contributed to the success of the party fully. I think I would just feel so much more stressed out if I was having to throw the party at my house. I really was able to relax and enjoy the event, as you should. You know, 1 year for mama too. So I really wanted to enjoy it and just be like present with my daughter and not having to worry about things not working out or things going wrong or having to clean up. If I did it at my own house, it was incredible. Everything that we planned for the party, all the decorations, all the activities fit perfectly in the Pier Space. So I got to just enjoy it and it was a really great time. Of course, the Pier Space location made the event amazing, but let me tell you the most memorable moment. So I'm actually not sure if this happened before or after the cake. I think after the cake. After we sang happy birthday, my friend Cass brings out a mini pink Corvette, like one of those kids cars you can drive, for Gaia, and it was like such a surprise and such a moment that definitely was really memorable. Gaia loves the car, and it also just made me feel really amazing seeing all my friends like come together and be there for me and be there for her, and how amazing everything turned out and how loved she is. I think that moment like really highlighted that for me. I definitely recommend Pier Space to all my friends, my family, co-workers, you guys, because it really just takes one element of stress away from the whole event. When I threw my baby shower, we did it at my house, and I wanted it to be super grand like how her birthday turned out, but it just didn't really hit the same. They have a website and an app. It's super easy to use. It literally could not have gone any smoother. I also really appreciate that Pier Space is meant for events, so you don't have to worry about getting in trouble for throwing a party, because it's like, that's the point of it. Use Pier Space to book your next perfect party space. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much to Pier Space for helping make this party be as amazing as it was. See what incredible spaces are near you on peerspace.com. So Pier Space has a ton of amazing spaces for affordable prices, and they have over 40,000 venues all over the world, from Los Angeles to London and everywhere in between. I'll have them linked below. So yeah, we had the most amazing time at her first birthday. I can't believe that she's 1 year old now, and she's walking and she's talking and she's just growing up so much, and it's so beautiful. It really is the biggest joy I've ever ever experienced ever. I'm so excited for our future together and to continue watching her grow. I'm just so happy with how the party turned out. Let me know if you want me to make like an Amazon list or an LTK with all the decorations and things that I bought for her party, if you maybe have one coming up and you just want to buy everything that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.